How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and I'm currently in West Knox right now, waiting on a guy. I'm doing a truck review. He's got a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Common Rail Cummins, making a little bit over 600 horsepower. Be my first Common Rail that I've reviewed, and I cannot wait to bring you all that. If you haven't seen the review, tag will be popping up right now, so make sure you check it out because it's going to be one fantastic review. I cannot wait for this review. But anyways, the rest of this day, I'm going to clean the truck off. Finally, after 3 months, I finally get to clean the truck off, get it detailed and sitting the way I wanted to, and hopefully see what I need to fix this year from the winter, because this winter was kind of bad. I mean, it was like rainy and salty. I mean, not salty. Rain and then snow, and then we got salt all over the road. I mean, it was just a bad winter. But anyways, and then I got a truck show tonight, hosted by 865 Alliance. If you haven't followed them yet either, Instagram link will be down in the description. Check them out. It's supposed to be a really great day, guys, and I cannot wait. Over there, I'll zoom in on the video, but there's a really nice Chevy 2500 duramax. I don't know. I think it's the LML. I don't think it's the L5P, but it's a bad truck. That black looks gorgeous on that truck. Bad Cummins right there. What is with today and all these nice trucks? Hell yeah, brother. Oh yeah, she looks nasty. Here we go. I am literally gonna have way too much fun with this. I just got done with that truck review, and oh my god, I need to stop doing these truck reviews because every time I drive something new, I want it. Like, I'm gonna have a garage with like 40 different freaking trucks in it when I get old. But anyways, 6-speed manual, 06 Common Rail high output Cummins. I literally learned how to drive a manual in a 600 horsepower truck. Shout out to Cody, man. You are the best. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for letting me do that. His Instagram, of course, be down in the description. I mean, once I got the hang of it, I was actually doing pretty good, just learning how to use the clutch on that thing, which is actually that's probably the easiest clutch to use because all the torque in second gear, it wouldn't bog. It just went. So thank you so much, man, for letting me do that. Right now, I'm in freaking traffic, trying to head home to wash the truck before the truck meet tonight. But yeah, man, I mean, this was great. I mean, thank you so much, man. I am very grateful for this. What is the deal with people cutting off trucks? I mean, I'm just traveling down this road about 75 miles an hour on cruise control, mind my own damn business, and this Nissan Altima cuts out in front of me. I slam on my brakes and honk my horn and then the person it's my fault. Like, I'm in a truck. I can't stop as fast as you can, and if I hit you, you're screwed. Like, I don't understand people. Like, learn to drive. Or at least admit to your mistakes and don't blame the other person. Good night. Sorry for the mini rant, but good lord, people, learn to drive. That was a G-Wagon. Mercedes G-Wagon. Saw 2 of them today. You've got a really nice Chevy sitting in the turn lane right there. Freaking clean ass Chevy right there. Like that. Okay, time to wash the truck. Gonna get the wheels cleaned off first. You can't use water on them with this stuff I used. Got the pressure washer ready. Gonna get the buckets ready. Time to get her cleaned up in detail for tonight's truck show. I just got done cleaning my truck. As you can see, this looks so much better. Gonna get the spray wax on there, really detailed up. It fared pretty well this winter. There are some issues I gotta address sooner or later. This trim piece is starting to peel now. All that right there, starting to peel. Redo all that, and then the grill is starting to chip and stuff like that. I mean, that's just normal wear and tear. It's a 21-year-old truck. I mean, I'm expecting this. I'm gonna replace it anyways sometime this year. But yeah, the paint looks amazing. No other really blemishes or anything bad. Heading up to the dam now to set up and get ready for the truck meet. I'm gonna head up there early, that way I can get hopefully a good spot so I can set up and start getting film and all that stuff. It's gonna be a great time. I cannot wait to go. Finally, the truck meet season started up, and boy, it never felt so good. What? B. Graves! Oh my god, it's B. Graves! Hey, Kevin. Dude, that's freaking K1500 Ranger. Yeah, it's the Viper truck. You got the Lope. Hey guys, the next day it's Sunday. Truck meet was great last night. Met some awesome people. Made a lot of like connections and met some old friends and stuff. Right now, I'm waiting at the Waggles gas station. I got a special guest coming up. We're doing another photo shoot. If that gives you any hint, you'll see shortly who it is. But I cannot wait because the last time we did a photo shoot, my truck was nasty, and now she's like freaking spotless and like, oh my god. Like, you know, like the first detail clean in 2.5 months. Like I said, I don't like to clean my truck clean it, except for spray it off in the winter time because all the salt, grime, and all that stuff on the road. But now that it's March, and now that it's that time of year now, I'm gonna hopefully keep her clean 24/7. So guys, I'm back again with
Buddy Pig
and
Kenny.
Okay, that worked. She's now at my hometown. I didn't drive 3.5 hours to Georgia this time. We're gonna do a photo shoot up at the dam. Hopefully a bunch of people will show up for that. But yeah, you're in Tennessee now.
You're the only 10 I see.
Oh, oh. That's gonna be its own video on Instagram now.
You're the only 10 I see. Get it, get it. Ooh, girl. Ooh,
Josh,
damn, girl.
Trucks and Water gets embarrassed. So, Money Peach, we met another YouTuber today. We got TN Speeds here, guy. Unfortunately, I couldn't go to the expo with him yesterday. I had some stuff going on. But we're gonna do a collab very shortly, so keep an eye out for that video. He's got the drone going, and if I wasn't into trucks, probably what I would have bought. The first subject of the day.
Dora, the Explorer! Woo!
Anyway.
Swipe or no swiping! Where's Boots?
This is why we get kicked out of places. You gonna hit me in the mouth? You saw live on Trucks and Water. I get harassed on a daily basis.
Wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay, you're gonna have to really redo this. I said so.
I just bleeped it out. What's up, buddy? We just got a photo shoot with Elmer's truck. Was it pretty good, Killian?
It's pretty spicy if you want to see it.
That's me, yep. If you can see that, guys, I'll post the picture up on the vlog if she gets it done by then. But yeah, that's me sitting on the tire of his truck. His bad L5P Duramax. God.
Train horn.
So when Elmer blew the train horn, apparently someone called the cops on us, because here comes the Norris cops over there. Killian, what do you think of this?
I think we're some bad
Yeah,
about
we're
to
some
go
bad
to jail. Josh isn't gonna last. I'm just kidding.
So
Hit him up. Can't see it, but I was winking.
Oh my god. So guys, where are we going?
Bass Pro!
Yeah, I'm taking the Bass Pro. I'm the chauffeur pretty much today, so I'm the chauffeur right now.
Yeah, you're the chauffeur. Wait, beep.
It's too late for that.
You're the chauffeur, beep.
So we're heading up to, you know, Pigeon Forge, Gallenberg area. Hopefully.
There's hair in my mouth. I'm sorry. Look, wait. Let's show them some spicy photos. Hold on. The moment of silence.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, my grandmother who watched my videos. I'm not showing them that. I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm not showing them that.
Okay, hold on.
So we're up in Pigeon Forge, Gallenberg right now. We just got done with Smoky Mountain Knife Works and Bass Pro. How was it, guys?
It was great. You should definitely go.
Sold it right there. That's
But
money.
they didn't let me go to Adam and Eve, so I'm kind of sad.
I'm not explaining to that what that is. If y'all want to know what that is, look it up. If you don't know what it is, you need to get out from underneath your rock. Anyways,
All you need to
Go on
be over 18, so
they have the internet for this. You don't have to go to like a shop now.
If you want to buy something, order online.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they have like lots of, look at that Jeep. Ooh, the bumper on that thing. Oh boy.
Spicy. Spicy. As she chokes on her energy drink. Words of wisdom with trucks and water. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, so we don't know what we're gonna get into. Hopefully get something to eat because I'm starving. Well, I'm always hungry. It doesn't matter what time of day it is. I'm always hungry. But oh, giant American flag. Did you just
Like,
nibble?
Excluded in the back, and I'm bored.
Did you just nibble on my shoulder?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Rude.
I'm sorry. Should I get my GoPro out and show everyone who's the boss here?
She
Oh
ain't
my
the
god,
boss.
why do I keep choking
Powerstroke.
on
Ow, ow.
this? You just need to move and change your identity, basically, at this point. You've just gone so wrong with that Colorado.
Words of wisdom by Muddy Peach.
Yes, call me Peach. Josh, why are you laughing? It's not even funny. I'm hungry.
Low-key.
I want something good. I hope you didn't get that in the video because I
Oh, it's definitely in the
I
video.
looked like an idiot. Like I was like trying to talk and like swallow my drink, so I was like.
Oh, threats have been fired.
Josh, what's the road?
I swear the stuff I do for like photos.
For me, actually. You're gonna have to, can you censor out my
bleep
finger?
that out, too.
Did you flip off the camera?
Yeah, can you censor that out?
No.
Well, I'll censor it out. Beep.
Oh my god.
There you go.
This whole video is just gonna be me going beep 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 beep.
Get out of the way, you fucking piece of trash truck bag. Thank you.
All you're gonna get out of that is truck.
Get out of the way, you truck!
Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait. You beep 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 truck beep 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 beep.
Well, the people are gonna
Bag.
Killen, do you think you have a bad mouth?
Looks all right to me.
Lord help me.
Please leave that in there.
Oh my god.
Oh, it gets worse.